Hello guys, welcome to the ProTraders Academy YouTube channel. Thank you for tuning into this video. My name is Uncle Clint. I'm a pro trader, I'm a trading mentor and a coach with the ProTraders Academy. I've been training several persons in the Forex trading business, and I'm here to coach you, mentor you, and show you the things you need to know and the things you need to avoid in the Forex trading industry. Thank you for tuning in once again. Feel free to share this video, like the video, drop a comment below. If you have any questions, drop it below. We'll be glad to attend to your questions. Alright, so the title of this video is Forex Scams. How do you avoid Forex scams? Forex scams is all over the place. Everybody talks about Forex scam, Forex scam, Forex scam. So many persons are so afraid of Forex. They don't know what Forex is about. And many newbies, a large number of newbies who try to get into this industry get scammed one way or the other. And some actually just presume they've been scammed when they probably are the ones that made their mistakes. But right now, what we're talking about is the scam, the real scam that goes on in the Forex industry, not necessarily those that made mistakes by themselves or those that didn't do their due diligence. Okay? Now, I'm going to try to share with you a simple concept or approach through which some people get scammed in this Forex industry. How is that done? So many persons pose as Forex traders, so many posers. There are so many posers in the Forex industry trying to lure you in with a promise of making so much money in the Forex market. Don't get me wrong, there's so much money to be made in the Forex market. The Forex market dishes about $5.2 trillion every single day. It transacts about $5.2 trillion. It's a global market. It's a decentralized market. People from all over the world participate in this market. There's a lot of money to go around, truly. But then it doesn't just come easy like that. It doesn't come easy like that. The way people portray it, make it look like you just come into this market and then you start taking money like that. You know, some tell you they make $100 daily. Some say $200 daily. Some say $1,000 daily. Honestly, if some of these guys were making that amount of money daily, they wouldn't be promoting Forex the way they do. I want you to understand that Forex market can give you such an amount, but not as consistent as they make it sound. You can make $1,000 in Forex in a day, and the Forex market wouldn't even be bothered. You can make $100,000 in Forex market in a day, and you won't be bothered. You can make $1,000,000 in Forex and the market won't be bothered because on a daily basis the market transacts $5.3 trillion, guys. But now this is what you must understand. For you to make $100 or $10,000 or $50,000 or $20 or whatever amount of money you're making, one thing you must understand is also a function of your capital. When someone says it makes $100 from the market daily, let me explain what it means. This guy could have made $100 in Forex market one of the days he traded. It's not always consistent. Please don't get it twisted. Somebody says he makes $100 daily does not mean he trades Monday to Friday and he's making $100 every single day. They are most likely either lying to you or they're getting you confused. The $100 can be a money he made in one of the days he traded. So that means one day he made $100. And trust me, most times this same person could lose the $100 the next day if he tried to do it every single day. Because Forex market is not a market where you have this consistent dishing out of money. Okay, especially for those that do day trading. Day traders are usually gamblers in this Forex industry. Those that always tell you they make a certain amount of money daily, they are gamblers, trust me. But if someone tells you he can make certain percentage of his capital over a period of time, let's say on a weekly, on a monthly basis, that guy is more legit than the guy that tells you he makes certain amount of money daily. You can't make that money daily consistently. You have not even gotten there yet. Trust me, many of those guys, if they were making $100 daily, they won't be promoting Forex. I am a Forex trader. I have learned the hard way. I've made my mistakes. I burned my fingers in so many strategies trying to do a lot of things to make this money. There's no consistency in doing a daily target. The whole making $100 a day or making $200 a day for 5 days, it doesn't work in Forex. You can only say you made 10% of your money in a month or in a week. That is more reasonable than saying a certain dollar figure. Another thing that newbies don't understand is when somebody says makes $100 daily, the question is, what is his capital? If he's trading with $200 and tells he's making $100 daily, it's a big scam. The scam there is that trying to make 50% of your capital from the market is obviously a risky trading and one of the riskiest and most outrageous way to trade, because you are highly exposed to the market risk and your tendency to lose that money is 100% guaranteed. So don't get it twisted. Don't be so carried away by some people promising so big returns. I want you to be able to learn the trading and learn it the professional way, and that's why we set up a Forex Trading Academy, which we call Forex ProTraders Academy, which means Professional Traders Academy. We want to train people to become professional traders and be able to make money from this industry in the most professional and consistent way ever. There's money to be made in this industry, but you must not fall victim of the scams in Forex. In some other videos, we'll be talking about how you are also your problem. This time around, it's not about the external factors or the persons who got you introduced, but you. This video will come shortly after this. Thank you for tuning in. If you have a question, feel free to drop it on the comment section. The ProTraders Academy would reach out to you, give you some insight on what we do. I'll be glad to welcome you and show you how to trade the professional way. My name is Clinton once again. I'm glad to have shared this little nugget with you. Tune in to our subsequent videos and make sure to subscribe to our channel. We'd love to hear your feedback. We'd love to know if you learned something from this video. Thank you and have a wonderful day. Cheers.